is dunya, dunya will get you, or your children, or your grandchildren. If your niyyah was for Allah and His Messenger, they will protect you. So we need this niyyah reset. I remember Hafiz Patel, Allah yarhamu, the great Imam of Tablighi at the Markazi Mosque in Christian Street in East London. He was the one who, many years ago, taught me my 10 surahs. Very humble man, didn't mind talking to this weird teenage guy who was sleeping in the mosque and didn't know anything. So, inshallah, each time I recite one of those surahs, he will get a share of the reward for that. But he used to say, we came for dunya, but we must change our niyyah. Because in his Tablighi tradition, niyyah is really emphasized. Maulana Muhammad Ilyas and his tradition, Ashraf Ali Tanwi, that whole line is about inner purification and rectification of niyyah. So he was very emphatic that the ummah will only succeed and this work of tabligh will only flourish if our niyyah for being here is i'la'ul kalima. That's why I'm in England. I have a job, passport, etc., but I'm here, the i'la'il kalima, to carry on the work of the Anbiya alayhimus salam. And when we have that niyyah, Allah will open up inconceivable gates. We must not underestimate the power of Allah's light. When it enters a heart, it opens up. Yansharih. So we see this, but the method, when you're in a position of public responsibility, is not to be preachy. As I said, it's to be exemplary. It's not to qal, it's to hal. It's to showing that you are always punctual.